How to fix Redbubble app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Redbubble app not working issue. If you are experiencing this issue, then there are several steps you can try to resolve this problem. First of all, you'll need to ensure that you are connected to strong and stable internet connection. You may also try switching between data network and Wi-Fi in order to check if that works. If your internet connection is working fine, then you will need to ensure that you are using the latest version of Redbubble app. To check that, you can open the Google Play Store of your device and here tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and then in the search bar tap on it and search for Redbubble. Once you search for it, you will be presented with the search results. Here tap on the app icon to open it, and inside it, here look for the update option. If you find the update button, go ahead and tap on the update button and wait until the app gets updated. Once after updating the application, you can open the app and use your credentials in order to log into your account. But if you didn't see the update button here, that means you have already updated your application. If that's the case, then you can go and clear the app cache. First of all, open the device settings, and on the settings page, here scroll down to find application option. Once you get it, tap on it to open it, and inside it, here look for Redbubble application. Once you find the Redbubble application on this list, tap on it to open it. Inside it, here again you will need to scroll to find the storage option. Tap on storage, and then there you'll be able to see the clear cache option. Simply tap on the clear cache option and then your cache will be cleared. Once after clearing the cache, now you can go and open your Redbubble application on your device and then use your credentials in order to log into your account. If these steps doesn't solve your problem, then you can simply reinstall the application. To do so, first of all, you will need to open the Play Store or any other app store of your device. Here again tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and then in the search bar search for Redbubble. Once you search for it, you'll be able to see the Redbubble application. Tap on the app icon to open it, and inside it, there you'll be able to locate install option. Simply tap on this install and confirm it by tapping on install once again. Once the application gets installed, now tap on the install button to reinstall the application. Now once after reinstalling the application, you can open the application and use your credentials in order to log in to your Redbubble account. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with Redbubble application not working. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.